A very pleasant morning to you all, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good. Uh, in our last class, we had completed the lesson reading of this chapter, The King's Condition, Chapter 3, and word meanings. And today we will complete question and answers of this chapter. So let's move to the question and answers. So here this exercise I have given to you as your assignment in our last class. Let's read this question and find out the answer also. Why could the courtiers not send any gold coin? Can you tell me the answer? Well, I have ticked here. They could not see the king's face is the right answer. Second is, why did some courtiers stay in the market for one whole week? So answer is, they thought that the king would come to the market and they could see his face and then spend the gold coin is the right answer. Third is, circle the correct words for each of the following. Here he is Tenali Ram. You have to circle correct word. So here is the correct word. Honest is the correct word for Tenali Rama, and intelligent is the correct word. And clever also. He is clever also. And here King Krishna Dev Raya was kind. And here courtiers were cunning and jealous. Okay, now let's move to the question and answers. First of all, here read and answer. First question is, what did Krishna Dev Raya give to each courtiers? Okay, now let me show you the answer. So here is the answer. Krishna Dev Raya gave 50 gold coins to each courtiers. I hope you all have written. Krishna Dev Raya gave 50 gold coins to each courtiers. Now let's move to the question number 2. Here is question number 2. What was the condition laid down by the king? So can you tell me what was the condition? Yes, the condition was that before spend any gold coin, every courtier had to see king's face. That was the condition. So let's move to the answer. Here is the answer. The condition laid down by the king was that the courtiers had to see the king's face every time they spent a gold coin. So here is the answer. The condition laid down by the king was that the courtiers had to see the king's face every time they spent a gold coin. Now let's move to the question number 3. Here is the question number 3. What did Tenali Rama buy for himself? Let's see the answer. So here is the answer. Tenali Rama bought a new dhoti, silk kurta, beautiful scarf, and a shining ring for himself. Now let's move to the next question. Here is question number 4. How did Tenali Rama fulfill the king's condition? Let's move to the answer. Here is the answer number 4. Whenever Tenali Rama spent a gold coin, he saw the king's face that was on every gold coin. I hope you all have written the answer. Whenever Tenali Rama spent a gold coin, he saw the king's face that was on every gold coin. Now move to the next exercise. Here, think and answer. First question is, the courtiers have no reply. Why do the courtiers have no reply? This is the question number 1. So let's move to the answer. Here is the answer. The courtiers have no reply because Tenali Rama did something that no one had done. Full stop. Now let's move to the next question. So, here is the question number 2. Which sentence of the story tell you that the courtiers were jealous of Tenali Rama? Here I will tell you the answer, but you have to tick little part of this answer in book. I will tell you the details. Here is the answer. The following sentence tells us that courtiers were jealous of Tenali Rama. Okay, you have to write this sentence first of all in your copy in answer number 2. The following sentence tells us that courtiers were jealous of Tenali Rama. You will start with the courtiers. Move to the page number 134. Sorry, 34. Page number 34 in your book. Let me take you there in that page number 34. Wait. Yeah, here we are. Yes. From here, the courtiers were surprised and happy. They think Tenali Rama did not see the king's face before buying anything. He has not fulfilled the condition laid down by the king. Tenali Rama is surely going to be punished today. This whole sentence from here to here I have written in the notebook also. You can see from the courtier to punished today. Here from the courtiers to the punished today. Here the whole sentence you have to write, because this whole sentence is the answer. In your notebook you have to write. First of all, write like this. The following sentence tells us that courtiers were jealous of Tenali Rama. Then write this whole sentence in your notebook. From the courtiers to punished today. In page number you can see, here is the page number. I will show you the page number also, which is 34. Page number 34. Okay, in page number 34 you have to write the whole sentence, which tells us that courtiers were jealous of Tenali Rama. Now move to the next question. What should we do when we find ourselves in a difficult situation? We have to take the correct answer. Feel scared, act without thinking, or think and find a solution. This is the correct answer. Think and find the solution. Now, reference to context. Read this sentence and answer the question that follows. You have to read this sentence and answer the question that follows. According to this sentence, you have to give the answer. So first of all, read this sentence. At the end of the week, show me all that you buy, but there is a condition. So first question is, who said these words and to whom? We will have to find out the answer. Let me show you the answer first. So here is the answer. Number A. King Krishna Dev Raya said these words to his courtiers. Full stop. Now move to the next question. Here is the next question. B. A we have completed. Now move to B. What was the condition? We all know that what was the condition. Let's write the answer. Here is the answer. B. King put the condition that every time the courtiers spent a gold coin they had to see the king's face. Here, King put the condition that every time the courtiers spent a gold coin, they had to see the king's face. So this is the answer number B. Now move to the question number C. Here is question number C. How did the listeners react to the condition? So let's move to the answer. Here is the answer. All the courtiers were pleased and they left for the market. So let's stop. This is the answer. Now move to the question number D. This is question number D. What happens next? Now move to the answer. Here is the answer. The courtiers were puzzled because they could not see. Wait. So here was a certain mistake which I have corrected now. The courtiers were puzzled because they could not see the king's face and could not spend the gold coin. You have to write this answer number D. Now move to the next question. HOTS question. Here we are in HOTS question. First question is, do you think a king goes to a market to buy things? Who do you think shops for the king and his family? Who do you think do shopping for king and his family? Who do you think shops for the king and his family? So this is the question. Let's move to the answer. So here is the answer. A king doesn't need to go to the market to buy things. His employees shop for the king and his family. Now move to the next question of HOTS question. Question number 2. Was the king happy with Tenali Rama's solution? Tenali Rama's solution. What makes you think so? Let's move to the answer. Yes, the king was happy. The king smiles at Tenali Rama. This sentence tells us that the king was happy with the solution. Here, don't forget to put this inverted comma. Okay, full stop, comma. Don't forget to put these punctuation marks. Yes, the king was happy, full stop, inverted comma open. The king smiles at Tenali Rama, close, full stop. This sentence tells us that the king was happy with the solution. Now let's move to the exercise of this lesson. So students, this exercise lesson you have to complete by yourself. You can take help from page number 156. Listening text on page number 156. You have to listen, read that text. After that, complete this exercise. So this is your assignment. Now move to the next one is speak. Here you have to repeat these words after me. Pit, bill, fill, fish, win, interest, clip, rib, pick, lip, ship, slim. Now let's move to the grammar portion. Here this of this lesson. Grammar. Am is are. Am is are. Read these sentences. I am Tenali Rama. My new dress is new. My dress is new. We are very pleased. The words am, is, are verbs. What are these words? These are verbs. So, we use is when we talk about person and things in singular. Whenever we talk about person and things in singular, we use is. Whenever we use are with you, and we use are with you, and when we talk about people and things in plural, we use are with you and things, people and things in plural. Whenever people and any things are in plural, then we use are. And most important thing, remember that we use am only with I. We use am only with I. Now, exercise A. Fill in the blanks with am, is, are. You have to fill from these words. You have to fill here the blanks. I dash very excited today. We all know that we use am only with I. That's why we will write am here. I am very excited today. I am very excited today. We dash going to grandma's house. We are going to grandma's house. Her house is, because it's a singular house, no, single house. That's why we will use her house is very big and beautiful. It dash in a turn the page, village. So what will be the answer? It is in a village. We will write is in that blank. Here it is in a village. There dash many green trees in the garden. So here we will use are because trees plural noun. In spring the garden dash full of flowers. Here we are talking about a garden. The garden, it's singular. That's why we will use is. The garden is full of flowers. There dash two gardeners to look after the garden. Two gardener, plural. So we will use there are two gardeners. Now dash you interested in coming with me to my grandma's house. Here with you we will use are. Are you interested in coming with me to grandma's house? Now here we are in this exercise. We will complete this exercise. Now B exercise. Match and make sentence to find out how everyone is feeling. Here we have to match and find out. So first one is, how is she feeling? I am happy. I am happy. I am happy. Second is, she is surprised. She is surprised. Rahul is sad. Rahul is sad. He is angry. Yes, he is angry. They are happy. We can say they are happy. They are happy. Ria is surprised. Ria is surprised. You are angry. You are angry. So we can make many sentences including these words, as you all can see. But you have to write this exercise in your notebook. Do not make these and match. You just have to write in a simple way, like I am happy and underline am. She is sad, underline is. You have to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sentences in your notebook. Okay. Now, next is nouns. The noun in these sentences have got mixed up. Change the nouns to make correct sentence. here nouns got mixed. So we have to change the nouns to make correct sentence. Now, example, the monkey brays loudly. The donkey brays loudly. What is the voice sound of donkey? It brays. It's like brays. Donkey brays. But here, by mistake, monkey is written. So we have to correct that. We in this example it already have done. A donkey brays loudly. Now, so here is the exercise question number 1. Fish swim in the sky. So we have to correct this noun. Fish swim in the water. You have to do this exercise by yourself. I will tell you how to do that. But you have to do this exercise using your own mind. The tiger cub grew up to be a full grown elephant. What will a tiger cub would be after grown up? After grown up, a big grown up tiger cub, what will we say? A big grown up tiger cub, what it will be? So you have to write the correct answer here. Next is, we rode the balloon across the river. Can we row a balloon across the river? Can we row the balloon across the river? Can we sit in the balloon and cross across the river? Can we sit in the balloon and move, sail in the river? Can we? So in which thing we can sit and row to cross the river? Can you tell me the answer? Next is, take out your book and write with it. Take out your book and write with it. By which instrument we write? Can you tell me? With book we write, or by something else? With which thing we write? We have to write the correct answer. Take out your whatever it is the answer and write with it. We row the dash across the river. The tiger cub grew up to be a full grown dash. A full grown tiger cub is called what it will be? You have to give the right answer and you have to write the right answer here in this exercise. Let's move to the next one. Here is the next exercise, but we will do this exercise in our next class. Okay, so till then now we will move to the today's assignment. Here is today's assignment, students. As you can see, write all the questions and answers in your notebook. You have to write all the question and answers which we have written today. You have to write these question and answers in your notebook. Now next is complete exercises from page number 37 and 38, which I told you to do, that listen exercise, and this exercise also. Okay, you have to complete this exercise in your book, not in your notebook, and you have to write the sentences, 7 sentence in your notebook, not in your book. You have to write these 7 sentences in your notebook, and then this is write 2 pages of your cursive handwriting book. That's all for today's class. We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye, students.